This is where our experience really pays off. We feel really comfortable and confident talking to our customers, talking to any third party, and really provide that role as an industry leader.
Rooftop is ideal for solar because it's unused space. So whether it's a real estate company that owns a building and has tenants in it, for them the benefit is leasing the roof just like any other space that they would to a tenant in their building, and it's typically found revenue.
And we determine whether or not those sites are feasible from a constructability standpoint, as well as whether the incentive structure for that given region makes sense for the project that we're looking to design. And then we ultimately create the design that will be constructed on the site.
And so we're able to put together a process that helps us understand how we can get the most out of a particular site.
One thing that we really try to do is, with any given utility, is establish a cadence of communication. So whether it's a weekly or bi-weekly call, opportunities for us to talk through sort of every project in the portfolio and at an early stage ascertain any potential issues that we will encounter.
We'll mark it on a plan, we'll do a site walk with the landowner in order to determine what makes the most sense, and it won't interrupt their day-to-day activities.
When we go on site for a new rooftop project, well, the first thing we do is provide an access point to those rooftops. We provide fall protection around the roof, the perimeter, in order to prevent any potential falls. We then, at the same time, provide emergency guidance to those employees that if we were to have an event, how to safely exit the roof and to meet at our central meeting locations.
The rooftop systems are especially challenging because you want to make sure that they're connected properly to the roof and also to the electrical system.
In some cases, they want particular equipment. They're looking for a particular output to offset what their building is consuming from the utility, and we will assess what we can do.
Or once we've estimated the cost to construct the system, we can match that up with production model estimates. We can model in incentive program characteristics and values, and then we can model that and determine what the available lease rate is for the available roof space.
All of our customers are looking for projects that can be delivered at high level of quality, with the lowest possible cost and the shortest amount of lead time.
Depending on the way that the building is owned and occupied, there's either revenue there in the form of lease income or revenue in the form of utility savings from a space that traditionally, many landowners just don't utilize and aren't able to get any sort of savings or revenue from.
It's really exciting for me to be able to spend my time at work at Borrego. Not only do I get to spend it on one of the most pressing issues of our time, but I get to spend it with this amazing team that we've built. It's just been a really amazing experience.